Hello guys, watching Droidgunj, and in this video we're going to talk about live chat plugin for WordPress. There are a bunch of live chat plugins online that you can find, TDO, Talk, Zendesk, and there are many out there. So in this video we're going to talk about live chat plugin, that is this one, livechat.com. So I am using this plugin for a couple of weeks, and my experience is very good. And this plugin, I can do a lot of things. I can connect my messenger, email, Apple Business Chat, WhatsApp, SMS, apps, website, and there are bunch of features like knowledge base, canned replies, quick replies that you may call, and it's just awesome. So let me show you how you can set this up on your website. I am seeing this go to a button because I have logged in. So if you have not logged in, you will need to register on the website. So just register on the website, then you will be able to log into a dashboard like this. So when logged in, you may not see this window because I have already set this up on my website. That's why I'm just getting this dashboard, and you may find all these not this way. You may find some checkboxes here to just customize all these things. So you may find probably this window where you need to install live chat, whether on your WordPress website, WooCommerce. Install, you can also buy tag manager or with a live chat code like this. So I am using a WordPress website, so I have installed their plugin that is called live chat WP, live chat plugin for WordPress. This one you can copy this from here, and you can just go to the website, and you can go to your plugins. You can add new one. You can copy this from right here and paste it right here. Here you can find that I have already activated this plugin after installing. So when installed and activated, you just need to go to your live chat plugin right here in settings. You may need to initialize the settings. You may need to log in so that you can connect your website with your live chat. So I have connected it, so I am just seeing this window. Now you can customize your you know chat experience with this chat page. It sorry, you can customize your chat window by going to here. But before we just jump to this, let's complete this thing. Here are the email things that brings your emails to live chat. Here you can connect your Facebook, so all the chats coming on your Facebook Messenger will be diverted to your live chat, so you can answer your visitors of Facebook from your live chat. Here the Apple Business Chat also. Okay, and here are the customization options. I have already customized it. My website is in red color, so I'm using red color like this. So maximize window, it can be this one, maybe this one. In the preview you can see all the changes in real time, and when you hit save changes it will be saved. So I can probably go with any of these. I like this one, so we'll keep to smooth. And you can also keep the first instance like this one, it is in bubble, right? So you can also keep this in aligned to the bottom with this bar. Okay, so when I save this, probably it may show me, but due to this, so can you see this one? Okay, so here's the theme color. You can choose any of these, but before I just keep this to bubble. You can change colors options. You can also use dark mode. If it look like this, you can also go with more colors, and you can customize the color with the color code with all these great options, right? But we'll keep this to this one only. Here you can customize the position, whether to show on the right side, on left side, right? and then you can choose a visibility, whether always visible or hide widget until it gets activated, or all these settings. uh, you can choose the mobile chat widget, whether it same as desktop or custom mobile devices, right? This appearance will change if the person is using mobile. So if you want to customize your widget for mobile devices, then you can go with this custom for mobile devices. Here are some additional tweaks. You can upload your logo, agent photo. I have already uploaded photo. You can let customers rate the agents. You can let customers get chat transcripts, and even enable sound notifications for the customers. You can white label widget, but this is a premium option. So let's keep this to this and just save it. Now when you go to your website, you can open any page. You can find all the changes that we have made recently. Here it is on the left side as we did it, and here is the welcome to live chat. That is the option. So when person will input their name and email, then they can initiate the conversation. And this is very recommended and useful when you are away and you want to reply to the customer in the email instead of live reply. So this can come in handy in that case too. Here you can go with language, right? You can change the phrases like this: welcome to chat, welcome to live chat, right? Here you can see it better. Welcome to live chat. You can customize it. Welcome to your website name. You can customize your first message. That's how may I help you. You can customize this from here. You can default username, right? You can ticket confirmation message change. You can message placeholder change the placeholder, and all these things. I will discard this change. It doesn't matter much to me. So, and here are the boosters. You can enable knowledge base as well. It can help if you are running a company, a software company, and you want to help your uh, customers with existing knowledge base. Then you can do it with this knowledge base installed. Here are some pre-chat surveys. So this is the same form. Welcome to our live chat. Please fill in the form below before starting the chat. So this you can customize by pre-chat survey. Welcome to our live chat. So you can customize. You can ask more information before initiating the conversation from here. You can add any element. You can question. You can ask whether it is the first time they are initiating the conversation. Okay, you can do anything, whatever you want with all these fields, right? You can ask for email and define customers for the email address, so you can always get back to them. The post chat surveys, you can customize it. That's a post chat. So when the chat is ended, they can review it, and you can customize the review fields. Here the queued visitors settings. So whenever the person is not there, then this message will be transferred. Here are the ticket form, right? So they can send you the ticket if the person is not available. So if any traffic comes and the person representative is not there, the message turns into tickets, right, in these settings. And here the engagements, you get all the targeted messages, right? And here the eye catcher, this will help you get more conversations. Here are chat buttons. You can enable these chat buttons as well, right? And here are all those settings. But for this video, I think it is cool to know all these things, so you can start with the live chat. In the next videos we will talk more about the settings, but let us complete with these settings for now, and let's test it out. So here are our chats. Okay, and the person is browsing, so we can start the chat. you can go to chat. You can ask your visitor like, how may I help you, and you can send it. And here you can see the message coming, hello, how may I help you, right? Please give me information of your product. So I also got notification right here because I am installing this live chat application in my MacBook. So you can also install this application. So here it is. Here are the canned responses. So these all are the default messages. You can edit them as well. You can add a new message for your purpose. You can use a shortcut, so when you use this shortcut the response will come. So let's try it out. Any message. Hey, kindly let me know your query in detail. So here the shortcut, I can use query. I save the canned response, and now when I use this query, so this will pop up the canned response. So when you enter, this response will come out. So this is how it all works. You can go to settings to manage the responses. Here you can see all the responses on this page. It's loading, and here it is. So here is a recently created shortcut and can reply, so we can delete it as well. You can also see who created the response. You can edit all those responses from here. So this is how it all works. You can also add your agents, and you can customize your email, your image right here, role, right? You can enable the mailing settings and all that. You can also install the mobile application to answer your customers from your mobile as well. You can see all these reports from here. So the total chats, new tickets solved, all these things. You can go, if the conversation turns into ticket, you can also use the tickets feature. You can mail your existing client as well. You can also use some integrations which we will talk in the next video. So I hope with this video you can install live chat on your website in a very short time. Please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos like this. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.